So this is the other ship, MSC Seashore. That's the name of the company. Yan, ang laki. Mas malaki kaysa sa aming ship. Yan. How many floors is that? I don't know kung sa baba pa yung ano na yan. Ay, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About, yeah. Oh, this is higher. Maybe about 16 or 17th floor. Oh my. Yeah, dito naman yung top sa amin. Yan. Ah, so twin ship, same day. Yan, ito yung ship namin. Halos pareho lang sila ang height. Ayan o, ayan din sa kanila o. Yan, very busy din sa kanila. Doon sa taas nila o yung pool. Yun. Alright. Yan, bawat deck nila may may yung room, I should say, may deck. Oh. Pero sa amin wala, hindi lahat. Okay. Alright, bye bye. Ay. Tinitignan mo parang building talaga, pero that's a ship. Yan. Yan, ng front yan. Alright. Yan, masasakyan kita.